Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello, this is Cooking with Afia. I do share easy and amazing recipes right here. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Alright, so today we're making roasted plantain with some peanuts. I'm doing everything from scratch, and trust me, you will love this. All you have to do is to trust the process. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's dive right in. Alright, so I'm going to start by roasting my peanuts. I have this fresh peanuts right here, or granules. I remove any unwanted particles that I don't need from this peanut, just the way you see it on your screens right now. This part is very necessary if you really want to enjoy your granules very well. Then removing any unwanted particles from it is very necessary. Alright, so once that is done, I'll transfer the peanuts into a different bowl. I'll go in with some water. I'll wash thoroughly until all the dirt comes out from it very nicely. And after washing the granules, I'll also transfer it back into a different bowl. And next, I'll go in with hot water. I'm going to be soaking the peanuts for approximately 30 minutes and it should be ready. Always make sure to go in with some salt as well. It's very important. Now let's stir everything together very nicely. I'll cover it with some cling film. I'll allow it to sit for about 30 minutes until it's nice and ready. Now, whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for your lovely support towards this channel. Alright, so after allowing the peanut to sit in the hot water for about 30 minutes, this is how it looks like. It's looking all good right now, so I'm going to strain out the water, and once that is done, I will spread it out on a clean surface or any big tray to dry in the sun for about 30 to 40 minutes. If you have a dehydrator, you can also use it. You can also roast it right away if you don't have that much time to dry this. Okay, now after 30 minutes of drying the peanuts in the sun, I'll transfer it back into my air fryer, and I'm going to roast this or air fry this for about 160 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes approximately, and it should be ready. And after 10 to 15 minutes, this is the end results. It turned out so perfect and ready. So next, I'm going to set this aside, and once that is done, I will start to peel my ripe plantain. And this is my ripe plantain. It shouldn't be very ripe and it shouldn't be very hard as well. This is just so perfect for the recipe. So now let's start by creating some incisions on it. Once that is done, I will remove the skin, and I'll also create some incisions on it to make it look very nice and presentable, just the way the sweet sellers would do it. And afterwards, I will cut it according to how I want it. Now, after cutting it, all that is left is for us to roast our plantain in our air fryer until it's nice and golden brown. This recipe is very easy, and trust me, it is amazing. If you haven't tried this combo before, trust me, you are really missing out a whole lot of goodies. So just get into your kitchen. Since this is very easy to prepare, all you need is your ripe plantain and granite or peanut, and you are good to go. For the peanut, you can also use the butter one, and trust me, it works perfectly fine as well. Anything peanut goes well with this plantain, roasted plantain, and you are good to go. Okay, now while that is going on, if you haven't still subscribed to the channel, maybe what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to the channel and also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. And also let me know in the comment section what you think about this easy recipe. This is roasted sweet plantain, and trust me, you will love it. Alright, so now after roasting the plantain for about 10 minutes, this is the outcome. As you can see, it's looking super good, and I just love the golden color on the plantain. It looks super beautiful. Alright, so now I'm going to flip it over for the other side to also roast for about 10 minutes, and once that is done, it should be ready. Alright, so if you're still with me at this point and you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, kindly give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this amazing recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now after roasting the plantain for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, this is the end result. It's looking super good and very delicious. Now let's pair this with our roasted peanuts, and trust me, it's the best combo ever. You will love this. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much, and see you in my next upload. Bye.